Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about update statement in SQL query. It's a very simple query. You can learn from the beginning. We'll show you. Earlier, previous lecture, I have shown you clearly how to insert a data into the SQL query. That query, once we are executed, successfully data is inserted into the two rows we have seen. Now see here, I'm opening this query box. This is the insert query statement we have executed. Now the same query table, like a T1 database table, I'm using to updating and modifying the table, like a already inserted data. See, computer systems and mouse, I'm applying for the changes. See here, to identify, like modifying and updating the data into the database table, we need to choose a particular column as unique identity. It's very important. We need to identify which column we are going to using to update that particular column. We need to write in the update query statement, and uniquely to identify by applying and writing the query statement where clause we have to apply, and specify the condition strictly to identify unique row. In my case, how I am writing, just simply I'll show you first how identifying unique, then we can modify into the update query. Okay, select star from T1, the name of the table, by applying where class, where, see, this column, this is the first column is an ID from this table, it is in a primary key, and the column is having auto increment ID, that is 1 2 3 4 so on, it will come. So I am using where ID equal to 1, and for another query where ID equal to 2, respectively. Based on the ID number, it will comes to and applicable for this row only. Okay, see here, like a where name of the column ID equal to, what is the number there? ID column number, first row it is 1, so we can specify 1. Terminate with the semicolon and execute this query. Go check. This is the highlighting here. This is the ID only. Earlier, if I select query, I have written all the columns with respect to all the rows it will return. Now I am filtering the rows by applying where class, and the ID it is applied filtered, and this is the one row which is available based on the filter. For more in detailed descriptive about the where class, our previous lectures having where class part 1 and 2, go through it and come back here. Now see here where I am constructing here is an update query. Simply use update table name. What is the table we are going to updating? Name of the table we have to write using the set keyword, and the column name. What is the value we are going to set? What is the name of the column? Product underscore name. Product underscore name. What is that equal to? What is the value we are going to set here? Computer system here, it is only computer. I'm updating with the only computer. 1 2 3 your wish. 1 2 3 also I'm adding. From table, now it is the from is not required now. That's it. Update table name, set name of the parameter, which column we are going to updating, product name that equal to, this is the value I am going to updating, where ID equal to 1, means that particular one column, that ID column value where 1 is available, that particular row it should be updated. Now let's go here, let's check the query by executing the query works, and this is the query we have to use. For select start from this. Okay, run the query. You See now, this is the column. Where column I have used ID number as 1 and computer 123 which is updated successfully. Similarly, I'll execute one more query by using simple terms. How it is. Update given the same thing. The mouse, instead of mouse, what I'm doing here, mouse pad, and where ID column it is 2. Go here and let's check it. In the query box, remove the comment line and select the query and execute. Go here. Now let's check it. The output result set it is. The table completely it came here. The ID is 2 and mouse is updated with the mouse pad. How it is? Very simple. That is much very simple, easy. All you what you need to and understand and you have to about know to identify which column you are going to updating in the database table. It's very much pretty important. Otherwise, if you are not written any where clause in your database query, what it will do? Update T1 table, all the column, all the data rows, which is the product name will update with the mousepad only. If you are not used. As if testing, you can test it. All the columns, irrespective of the T1 table, all the columns will update with the mousepad text only. Okay. I hope you have a good idea and understand about the update query. In our next lecture, we'll see how to delete a data row from the database table. In simple terms only, we'll discuss. Thanks for watching this session. Thank you.